Hai, selamat kembali. Happy New Year. If you can see from the title, this video I akan buat all thing about first impression pasal brand from Focallure. Lagi tak nak panjangkan this video lagi. Let's jump to the tutorial.
Young money, young money, young money, young money.
Love in 1,000 different flavors. I wish that I could taste them all night. No, I ain't got no dinner plans, so you should bring all your friends. I swear that to all of y'all my type. All you girls in here, if you're feeling thirsty, come on, take a sip, 'cause you know what I'm serving. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la. Swalla la la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la. Swalla la la. Freaky, freaky, yeah. My freaky, freaky, yeah. Shimmy, 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 yeah, shimmy, yeah. Bad girls gon' swallow la la. Bust down on my wrist and it, bitch. My pinky ring bigger than this. Matter how I'm Beverly Hills. Dollar got too many girls. Matter how I'm Beverly Hills. All she wears red bottom heels. When she back it up, put it on the top. When she drop it low, put it on the ground. DJ pop it, she gon' swallow that. Champagne pop it, she gon' swallow that. All you girls in here, if you're feeling thirsty, come on, take a sip, 'cause you know what I'm serving. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la. Swalla la la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la. Swalla la la. Freaky, freaky, yeah. My freaky, freaky.
Hey yo, bad girl, no swallow nothing. Word to the Dalai Lama, he know I'm a fashion killer. Word to John Galliano, he cupping that Valentino. Ain't no telling me no, I'm that bitch and he know. How your wife in these thoughts, you don't get wins for that. I'm having another good year, we don't get blimps for that. Cause the gang still call, we don't get minks for that. When I'm popping them bananas, we don't link chimps for that. I gave these bitches 2 years, now your time's up. Bless her heart, she throwing shots, but every line sucks. I'm in that cherry red foreign with the brown guts. My shit slapping like dude did LeBron nuts.
If you're feeling thirsty, come on, take a sip, 'cause you know what I'm serving. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la. Swalla la la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la.
Young money,
Swalla la la.
JT.
Freaky, yeah. Swalla la la. My freaky, freaky, yeah. Swalla la la. My freaky, freaky, yeah.
Okay, this is final looks yang I create pakai Focallure ni. Dia punya final look not bad kan? Dia punya foundation, dia punya eyeshadow, semua I cakap meletup. Foundation ni, this foundation dia full coverage. Serious full coverage. Dia punya, I mean bau saja yang kurang menyenangkan bagi I. Sebab bau dia macam bau bak gatal. Tapi it's okay, dia punya coverage memang full coverage. Daripada low to high coverage. And then harga dia pun berbaloi. Dengan harga RM40 dia dapat this one. So macam berbaloi. Tapi dia punya penutup dia agak tinggi daripada dia punya isi. Isi dia kecil je. Tapi it's okay, dengan harga RM40 dia dapat foundation ni sangat berbaloi. I tak tipu. Ni just untuk foundation. Okay. Next, dia punya lipstick. Matte lipstick ni I tak berapa nak suka sebab dia tak cantik bila dekat mulut, dekat bibir. Dia macam merekah. Bila you pakai, dia macam merekah. Bila you pakai dalam masa yang lama, nampak bibir you pecah-pecah. Dia macam nampak lipstick murah. I beli 5 ni dengan harga RM50. So, satu RM10. Dengan harga RM10 you dapat yang kualiti ni, I rasa okey lah kan. Tapi I tak berapa suka dia punya lipstick sebab lipstick dia macam tegangkan I punya bibir. I tak sure dengan bibir you all, tapi bibir I tak suka. Mungkin before I pakai lipstick ni, I kena pakai lip balm ke apa dulu before I apply lipstick ni. Tapi bagi I tak berapa suka dia punya lipstick ni. Dia punya matte lipstick ni memang I tak berapa nak recommend untuk you all sebab dia punya texture sangatlah macam, I tak tahu nak cakap macam mana, tapi texture dia macam tak berapa nak meyakinkan. Lipstick dia I tak suka. Okay, you jangan beli lipstick dia. Yang lain I tak tahu, tapi yang ni, yang matte lipstick ni I tak suka. Okay, next dia punya highlighter ni. Okay, highlighter ni bagus, serius bagus. Tapi I tak buat sebagai highlighter, tapi I buat sebagai eyeshadow. Okay, eyeshadow cantik. Dia punya highlighter cantik. You nak buat highlighter pun boleh, you nak buat eyeshadow pun boleh. Tapi sebab I tak ada beli dia punya eyeshadow, so I terpaksa buat pakai kat sini ni, pakai lighter ni untuk eyeshadow. Highlighter dia I sangat-sangat recommend untuk korang kalau korang nak beli. I pakai yang colour kuning ni. Dia punya texture pun cantik, serius cantik. Kalau you nak beli yang ni, I recommend, memang best. Last one is highlighter ni. Memang cantik dengan harga RM20 ke berapa tak sure, tapi sangat-sangat berbaloi dengan harga ni. Kalau you just you pakai untuk pergi keluar everyday, sangat berbaloi dengan harga dia. So yang ni I recommend kan. Yang I recommend you beli this highlighter, this one and foundation. 3 barang saja. Lipstick I tak berapa recommend. Kalau you rasa you nak try, you boleh try, tapi jangan salahkan I sebab I dah bagi tahu dia punya texture macam mana. So I hope you jangan tertipu. Dengan harga murah dia tu, jangan tertipu. Untuk 3 barang ni, you all boleh beli sebab sangat berbaloi. Okay, that's all video for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Alright, and see you in the next video. Bye.